And hello. Yeah! Hey, nice to see you today. My name is Mr. Ray. I was just playing a cool new video game and I was having so much fun that I was excited and full of energy now. I want to go outside now and play. Let's see what we can do outside with all this energy that we have today. Hey, in Spanish, energy is energía. Can you say energía? Good! All right, let's go outside and see what we can do today. Vámonos, let's go! I have so much energy when I go outside and have fun. Do you know why I have so much energy? That's because I love eating healthy foods like vegetables, also fruits. I love eating those because it makes me so strong and fuerte. Strong in Spanish is fuerte. Ooh, yeah, fuerte. Yeah. Also, I can't forget, one of my favorite things to drink is water. I love water. Water also gives me the energy to move around and have fun and play. Just like how I was doing with my handstand. I was walking on my hands. Hands in Spanish is manos. Can you say manos? Good! Manos. Also, when I'm dancing and I go down on the floor and do footwork, I also use my hands too to help me move. Like this, watch! You saw that?
Yes, Mr. Ray.
I also use my elbows too. These are elbows. Elbows can move like this or like that. Whoa, elbows in Spanish is codo. Can you say codo? Good, elbow. Wow. Whoa. Whoa. Another body part that I love to use when I'm dancing outside or playing around is my knees. Knees in Spanish is rodilla. You gotta roll the R on that one. Rodilla. Knees. Watch this. Yeah. I love using all my body parts when I'm dancing and moving around and having fun outside. Wow, talking about all this dancing has me so happy. And you guys know whenever I get happy and excited, I love to move my body and dance. Vámonos, let's go!
Good job, Mr. Ray.
Thank you so much for watching my video and helping me out. If you guys want to watch more of my videos from Mr. Ray, please hit the big like button down below and also subscribe to my channel so I can continue making these awesome videos for you guys. And maybe we can learn a little bit of my funky dance skills too. Alright? Whoa, whoa. Hope to see you next time.
Bye-bye, Mr.